Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Ears.
Hey, we're so happy you're here.
I'm Monica.
And I'm Jack.
Today's lesson is really important.
Well, have you ever needed help but didn't know how to ask in English?
Maybe at a store or at school or when you're lost?
Don't worry, today we'll teach you exactly what to say.
After this lesson, asking for help will be easy.
And you'll sound polite and natural.
We have 3 main parts today.
First, polite phrases for asking.
Second, specific situations.
And third, how to thank people properly.
Let's get started.
Part 1. Polite ways to ask.
In English, being polite is very important.
Especially when asking for help.
Here are the most common polite phrases.
Number 1. Excuse me, could you help me?
Excuse me, could you help me with this?
Excuse me gets attention politely.
Could you is more polite than can you.
Number 2. I'm sorry to bother you, but...
I'm sorry to bother you, but could you help me?
This shows you respect their time.
Number 3. Would you mind?
Would you mind helping me with this?
This is very polite and formal.
Number 4. Do you know...
Do you know where the bathroom is?
Perfect for asking for information.
Number 5. Could you please?
Could you please show me how to do this?
Please makes everything more polite.
Never just say, help me.
Yeah, that sounds rude or like an emergency.
Always add excuse me or could you at the beginning.
Let's practice. Repeat, excuse me, could you help me?
Excuse me, could you help me?
Now try, would you mind helping me?
Would you mind helping me?
Excellent. Now part 2, specific situations.
Let's learn what to say in real situations.
Situation 1. You're lost.
Excuse me, I'm lost. Could you tell me how to get to the train station?
Or, I'm sorry, I can't find Main Street. Do you know where it is?
You can also say, could you point me in the right direction?
Situation 2. You don't understand something.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain that again?
Or, could you speak more slowly, please?
Or, what does that mean?
Don't be shy.
Native speakers are usually happy to help.
Situation 3. At a store.
Excuse me, I'm looking for batteries. Could you help me find them?
Or, do you have this in a different size?
Or, could you show me where the fitting rooms are?
Situation 4. Technical problems.
I'm having trouble with this machine. Could you help me?
Or, this isn't working. Would you mind taking a look?
Or, could you show me how to use this?
Situation 5. At a restaurant.
Excuse me, could we have some water, please?
Or, I'm sorry, but I ordered the pasta, not the pizza.
Or, could you recommend something vegetarian?
Situation 6. On the phone.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you very well. Could you repeat that?
Or, could you spell that for me, please?
Or, would it be possible to speak with a manager?
Situation 7. At school or work.
I'm sorry, I missed what you said. Could you say that again?
Or, could you give me a hand with this project?
Or, would you mind checking my work?
Notice the pattern?
Always start polite.
Then state the problem clearly.
Then ask, could you or would you mind?
Let's practice real situations.
I'll be a stranger.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the library. Do you know where it is?
Oh, yes, it's 2 blocks that way, on the left.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
No problem. Have a great day.
See? Simple and polite.
Now, part 3, how to thank people.
After someone helps you, always say thank you.
Here are different ways to show gratitude.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it.
That's very kind of you.
You're a lifesaver.
Let me show you.
Jack, could you help me carry this?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
After thank you, people usually say,
You're welcome. No problem. Happy to help.
or anytime, my pleasure. Don't mention it.
You can respond, thanks again, or just smile.
Now, let's practice complete conversations.
I'll be different people.
Scenario 1. At a coffee shop.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'm sorry, this is my first time here. Could you recommend something?
Of course. Our caramel latte is very popular.
That sounds great. I'll have that, please.
Sure, that'll be $5.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Scenario 2. On the street. Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you, but I'm looking for Central Park. Could you help me?
Oh, sure. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right.
So, straight 2 blocks, then right.
Exactly. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
No problem. Have fun.
Scenario 3. At a store.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a birthday card for my friend.
The cards are right over here. Follow me.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. This is exactly what I need.
You're welcome. Would you like a gift bag too?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Happy to help.
See how natural those conversations were?
We were polite, clear, and grateful.
Now, here are some common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1, being too direct.
Don't say, "Where is bathroom?"
Say, excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Mistake 2, forgetting please.
Don't say, give me water.
Say, "Could I have some water, please?"
Mistake 3, not saying thank you.
Always thank people who help you.
Even for small things.
Mistake 4, using the wrong tone.
Good words can sound rude with a bad tone.
Speak gently and smile.
A smile helps even on the phone.
Now it's your turn to practice.
This week, try asking for help in English.
At a store, at school, anywhere.
Don't be nervous.
Most people are kind and patient.
Yes, excuse me, where is better than perfect grammar, but rude.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
Let's review the key phrases.
For asking, excuse me, could you help me?
For clarifying, "I'm sorry, I don't understand."
For thanking, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
And always be polite and smile.
Thank you all for watching Easy English Ears.
Thank you so much for learning with us.
This is Jack.
And Monica.
See you next time on Easy English Ears.
Bye, everyone.
And remember, it's okay to ask for help. Everyone needs help sometimes.